To my channel, my name is Violet and I like to review makeup and skincare products on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Welcome! Today I want to talk about my birthday present because today's my birthday! At least when I was filming it was my birthday. Can you guess how old I am? Let me know in the comments below. Let's just say I woke up this morning and I had a little cry. So, my husband was wonderful and he ordered the Venus XLII palette for me off of the Pretty Little Things website. He said the Lime Crime website wasn't working for him, so that's a little awkward. But I've been talking to him about this palette for ages. As soon as I saw it come out, I was in love. It's got the most beautiful springy greens and browns and soft peachy colors, golds. I don't know, it just seemed like a very exciting palette to me. So I was really happy to receive it this morning, and I'm sure you're going to be seeing lots of looks. I can't wait to do like a 3 looks 1 palette, but really I could probably like come up with 6 looks 1 palette. I don't know, I'm going to be doing some research. But anywho, this is just an overall look at and swatches and 1 look that I've tried today because, I mean, it speaks for itself. It's pretty wonderful. So let's take a look. This palette is super special, beautiful colors, and we have 4 finishes. Matte, which is buttery smooth and totally matte. Foil, which is high def and ultra reflective. Metallic, which is an ultra shiny shimmer. And sheer iridescent, that's going to be sheer opalescent lid topper, alright? So we've got 18 shades in this palette. I'm taking all this information, of course, from the Lime Crime website. You can find it too. In Bloom is a muted rose matte. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love this color. Great base color. And then next we have Stella. Stella is a pink champagne, and that's a metallic color. Then we have West. West is a warm brown metallic. It's absolutely beautiful, very rich color. Then we have Obscure, which is a soft neon green in sheer iridescent, of course. And then we're going to have Myth, which is a silvery green foil. Beautiful color as well. Then we have Crown, which is an icy champagne foil. Very, very pretty. Next we have Sage, which is a lovely matte green, and it's sage. Next is Eve. Eve is a mauve rose with multicolor sparkle foil. I love this color. Then we have Mystic, which is a soft blush metallic. Absolutely beautiful, very subtle. I quite like this color as well. And then Phoenix, which is a rust metallic color. Very nice as well. Laurel, which is olive gold metallic, it's metallic shade. And Thorn, cocoa with blue sparkle metallic. Then we have Ripe, a warm terracotta matte. And then Radiant, which is peach pearl in sheer iridescent. Absolutely beautiful for like the inner eyelids. And then Locust, which is a green-brown shift metallic, and then Classical, which is a plummy brown matte. Then we have Ivy. Ivy's a glazed green with pink sparkle. This is also a metallic. So beautiful. Finally, we have Forbidden, which is a peachy copper metallic. Okay, so these are beautiful, beautiful colors. There's nothing here I won't be using. They all will work. You can look at the arm swatches and see how they look on my skin. I have blue undertones and I'm very fair. Now here's some tutorialness. It's super fun. So I'm going to use In Bloom to cover my eyelids. We're going to cover the whole lid from inner to outer, and I'm going to try and give myself some pretty full coverage so I have a nice base to work off of. I'm not wearing any kind of eye primer at this time. I just want to see how these beautiful new shadows perform without any extra help. And so far I'm impressed. It's going on pretty well, and it is blending out nicely too. So the second color I'm going in with is Ripe, and this is another matte. I'm going to use it for my crease color just to deepen things up. And I'm going to place it very gently first on both eyelids. And once it's on both lids, I'm going to blend it out so I have a nice kind of smoky, grungy look. I think this is working pretty well. I'm not unhappy with how it's going. Again, Lime Crime seems to have very blendable pressed powder palettes, so I quite love their formula, very easy to work with. I'm going in now with Sage. I love this green. It's the darkest matte green on the palette, so I'm going to use it in the corners, and I'm going to try and make a really nice V shape. see if I can kind of sculpt out the eye shape a little bit and add a bit more layering and texture. Again, this is my first time playing with the palette, so please let me know what you've been doing and what's been working for you, what color combinations you love. I'm still pretty new to this, but it is sure fun. So I'm going to use Obscure. I really love how it's just a little bit shimmery, and I'm going to place it right in the middle of the lid to brighten things up. And it's not quite a halo effect, but I certainly love how we've got lots of colors going on, and we've got that nice pop of green in the middle. It just really gets me ready for spring. Right now it's minus 27 Celsius in Calgary, so anything to kind of brighten things up I am on board with. I'm just using a very lovely brush to kind of blend it out, and I'm going to line my under eyes again with Obscure. I'm using a very fine pointed brush. I want to add color to the top and bottom of my lids just to make things look a little more complete. And I think this works pretty good. Alright, so next I'm going in with a little bit of Ivy, and I'm going to use it in the corners because I want to continue on with the green look, and I think it's going to look really nice. It's very sparkly and subtle, and I think it's going to be beautiful. I'm just patting on a little bit more Obscure on top just to kind of tidy things up. And it's on with the mascara. Popped on some liner off screen. It was too hard to do on camera. So here you go. Mascara party. I'm doing my bottom lashes as well. Again, just trying to add a little bit more texture and complete the look. Make it extra super special pretty. After all, it is my birthday. I want to look so fancy, right? I'm liking how this is going on. I'm using my eyelash curler poorly. And yeah, I like it. Looks pretty good. Gotta do my hair though because it's a little crazy. I used coconut oil because it is so dry right now in Calgary. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you had fun taking a look at the Venus XL2 palette. Did you pick one up? If you did, do you love it? What is your favorite color on the palette? And what kind of looks have you come up with? Let me know in the comments below. Tell me what you think. Do you think it's worth it? Thank you so much. Have yourself a wonderful day. Please like and subscribe because it's good to be friends, right? All right, bye now.